Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best construction pencil that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tracer Deep Pencil Marker. The Tracer Deep Pencil Marker is an all-purpose construction marking kit designed for durability and precision. It features a 2B lead that can be fully extended, allowing for marking depths of up to 5.7 inches. With its sturdy metal design and accompanying tracer sight holder, this pencil is built to withstand the wear and tear of construction sites. It is suitable for marking on ceramics, plastic, wood, and metal work surfaces. The Tracer Deep Pencil Marker also includes a built-in pencil sharpener and comes with a replacement lead set that includes 4 anti-snap leads and 2 alternative yellow leads. Keep your marking precise and accurate with this reliable and versatile construction marking kit. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Carpenter Pencil Set with accessories. The Clabby 10PC's Carpenter Pencil Construction Pencil Set is a comprehensive kit designed for construction workers and woodworking projects. It includes 10 construction pencils, 1 stainless steel utility knife, 1 black woodworking pencil sharpener, and 1 eraser pencil. The pencils are made of natural wood and solid graphite, providing medium strength for durable use. The sharpened, flat design allows for highly visible marks, while the non-circular core enables steady lines even on uneven surfaces. The set also includes a sharpener with a sharpening stone to reduce pencil waste, and a utility knife with a rust-proof metal blade for precise and fast cutting. The construction pencils can be easily carried and stored in your tool belt or hand toolbox. Suitable for various marking purposes, this set is a practical helper for carpenters, construction workers, decorators, and more. At number 3, we have the RONDURE Carpenter Pencils. The RONDURE 8-pack Carpenter Pencils are essential tools for construction and woodworking with precise markings. These octagonal pencils have a unique flat design that prevents rolling and allows for easy grasping. With a non-circular core, they provide steady lines even on uneven surfaces. Made from solid wood and graphite, these pencils are highly durable and reliable, resisting breakage and deformation. They are perfect for marking on hard, rough, and uneven materials such as wood, plywood, cardboard, concrete, and bricks. The bright red color ensures easy visibility in your toolbox or on the job site. With a dimension of 6.50 x 0.50 w x 0.20 h, they are compact and convenient to carry around. At number 2, we have the THORVALD Carpentry Pencil Set. The THORVALD Carpentry Pencil Set is a versatile and practical tool for carpenters, masons, and other trades. With its fine point and 3-in-1 design, this pencil allows for precise marking in any hole or surface. The included yellow leads are perfect for tracing on dark surfaces, and the solid construction ensures durability. The pencil also features a removable finger grip and a sharpener that attaches to the top, making it convenient for work sites. Additionally, the set includes 7 leads, providing ample supply for big jobs. Overall, this carpentry pencil set offers quality and functionality, making it a must-have for professionals in the construction industry. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set includes 5 solid carpenter pencils with 41 colorful refills, a replaceable sharpener, and a plastic storage box. These pencils are designed for heavy-duty woodworking and construction projects, with a long nib that can reach tight areas or small holes for marking. The sharpener is conveniently screwed into the top of the pencil, ensuring it doesn't get lost. The set comes with refills in 5 colors, allowing for clear lines on various surfaces. Ideal for woodworkers, contractors, and craftsmen, these pencils are a valuable tool for any project. The set offers great value and functionality, with a rating of 4.85.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.